Hello all, welcome back to our channel Aditya Tech Tips, and this is Aditya. In this video, I am going to tell you about the best languages to learn for mobile app development. We all know that there are popular OSs called Android and iOS. So based on the operating system, the languages are used. There is a list of few languages here, and also I will tell you about the advantages of the languages. So let's begin. If you are interested in mobile application development and if you want to develop an app or an application related to the mobile devices, here are some free courses, and in these videos I am providing the way to get these courses for free, so you can check it out. Go through the links provided in the cards and the end of the video so you can get the courses for free. Here is a short introduction about mobile app development for the people who are not aware with this concept. Mobile application development is the process to making a software for smartphones and digital assistants, most commonly for Android and iOS. The software can be pre-installed on the device, downloaded from a mobile app store, or accessed through a mobile web browser. And I would like to tell you another thing, and that is mobile apps are simply awesome. Anyone with the mobile can access them. Of course, nowadays almost everyone has their own mobile phones, and the importance of the app is rapidly increasing because the things which are done by the humans is simply done by using the applications. And also, becoming an app developer is a good thought, and I think it has a great scope in upcoming days. So let's talk about which languages are used to develop these apps. To begin with, it is obviously Java. It is one of the most powerful programming languages in the world, and it is no wonder why it is a top choice when developing mobile applications. It is a powerful and robust server-side language and has the most completed open source projects by the developers. If you want to learn the Java language for completely free, I have provided the links of the videos. In those videos, you will get how you can get the free courses online on Coursera and Udemy as well. There are completely 3 videos. You can watch and go through the links. And next is JavaScript. JavaScript has been a long time programming language favorite among developers, and many will argue that it's the best programming language. It becomes even more popular with the rise of the framework like Vue and React.js that helps build front-end UI components. JavaScript is also a server-side language, and it's often a developer's top choice language for a variety of reasons. By using the Java and the JavaScripts, you may get a good jobs in corporate sector for as a developer of a mobile application. And coming to the iOS applications, it is Swift. Swift is a language owned by the Apple. Swift by Apple is a popular programming language. Yes, it is belongs to Apple and has surpassed Objective-C as a preferred language for iOS app development. And it is a developer's favorite for creating iPhone and iPad apps for a wide variety of reasons. It is a very readable, type-safe language that also not difficult to code in, unlike other languages like Objective-C. Swift is also high interactive, meaning it can work in interactive environment and you can see the output while you're coding. That's the beauty of this. This is also makes it easy to catch coding errors at the coding stage. And the next and the last in the list is KOTLIN. KOTLIN is a newer programming language and it is a great alternative to Java. It's also the official language for Android app development created by Google. So it's certainly worth learning if you want to create an Android apps. It has native support and it's supported by IDE like Android Studio and IntelliJ IDEA. There are certainly few languages which are used to develop the apps for both iOS and Android. Those are React.js, but there are few disadvantages when compared to the Java and the Swift languages. So if you want to learn the React.js, you can get these courses on Coursera for completely free. Just follow my video. This is the video, guys. I think you enjoyed this video. Just if you want to show your support, just like the video and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to me. Thank you.